Welcome back in ENV class. In last video we learnt about Kabaddi game. In today's video we will see some example of women who are having a great career in sport. And the first person is Karnam Malleshwari. Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. So here in this picture we can see Karnam Malleshwari. Malleshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. Now she can lift weight of 130 kilograms. She has won 29 medals in international events. Her four sisters also practice weightlifting. So Malleshwari started lifting weights when she was only 12 years old. Here we can see Karnam Malleshwari. She is a weightlifter and she is from Andhra Pradesh. So Karnam has won 29 medals in international events and her four sisters also practice weightlifting. So here we can see Karnam is lifting. Sarita Gaikwad. Sarita Gaikwad was born in Kardiamba village of Dang district on 1st June 1994. Sarita Lakshmanbhai Gaikwad is a Gujarati sprinter. Here sprinter means racer. Her parents are busy with farming. She specializes in the 400 meters running race and 400 meters hurdles. Here in this picture we can see hurdles. She won gold medal in women's 4x400 meters relay race at the Asian Games. Gujarat government has selected her as brand ambassador for Beti Bachao Abhiyan. So in Gujarat, Sarita Gaikwad is brand ambassador for Beti Bachao Abhiyan. Here we can see Sarita Gaikwad. She is from Gujarat and she is a sprinter. And she specializes in the 400 meters running race and 400 meters hurdles. See story of three sisters. Look at this photograph. Don't they look the simple grandmothers? But they are different. This picture is of three sisters, Jwala, Leela and Hira. They live in Mumbai and all three of them played Kabaddi and taught the game to others. So here Jwala tells when we were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. So here Jwala talking about game and she is saying that when they were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. People thought that if girls played such rough games, nobody would marry them. They also said that the girls had to wear boys' clothes to play kabaddi. So that is why they stopped girls from playing. So when they were young, their father died. Their mother and two mamas brought them up. Both uncles used to play kabaddi and kho. So they encouraged the three girls to play kabaddi. When they were young, their father died. Their mother and two mamas brought them up, and both uncles used to play kabaddi and kho. They encouraged the three girls to play kabaddi. So when Jwala, Leela and Hira were young, their father died. So their mother and two mamas brought them up, and both mamas used to play kabaddi and kho. Jwala and Leela talk about their experiences almost 50 years ago when we started to play kabaddi. Girls never got a chance to play this game. Parents did not let them play the game, but we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mothers supported us. We three learned the game and some other girls joined us. We formed a kabaddi club which is active even today. So here Jwala and Leela talked about their experiences and they are telling that about 50 years ago when they started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play. So they started a kabaddi club which is active even today. Leela and Hira still remember those days. They tell how they won some matches which they were about to lose. Once they went to a big city to play a match. Leela tells the match had to start at 6:30 in the evening. We went to see a movie. As soon as movie started, we noticed some noise and disturbance. It was created by our mama who was looking for us in the hall with a torch. When he found us, he gave us a big scolding. So here they were talking about their experience. Once they went to a big city to play a match, and that time the match had to start at 6:30 in the evening, and they went to see a movie. So as soon as movie started, they noticed some noise and disturbance, and that was created by their mama, and her mama was looking for them in the hall. So when her mama found them, he gave them a big scolding. So here our chapter 10